Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here for Mr. Topstep with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Well, we had a summit in Europe, and there's a million and one headlines coming out of it. Whether anything meaningful got solved, I really don't know. I mean, it's not really my role as a trader to dissect Eurozone economic policy, and I would recommend that all of you out there trading for your own accounts and banging around futures every day and whatever kind of trader you are, that you don't get caught up too much in these headlines, and rather than trying to figure out what the move is going to be in Europe, 5 geopolitical chess pieces down the road, that it's a lot easier just to trade what you see on the charts. I mean, Yubi talks about it in the chat room every day. It's a no thinking zone for us in there, and that has served us very, very well. And I firmly believe it will serve us well again today. So when I look at the E-mini chart this morning, it opened up and tested down to my daily pivot down at 1226.16 Sunday night, and it made a pretty steady move up to 1242.75. The key thing I'm watching right now is the relationship between price and the 200-day exponential moving average, whether we're in for a test here or a longer term run up off of the average. So I'll be watching that going forward. We've pulled back substantially from the 42.75 down to about 32.5. The 32 level was my upper volatility level from Friday, so it would make sense that it would stick a little bit here. But on a pullback, I would look for support at the daily pivot 1226 and then the 3-day pivot at 1221. I'll give full support and resistance in a minute, but just on a daily chart, pull up an E-mini daily chart and throw a 200-day exponential moving average up there, and you'll see that we've kind of been gravitating to this point, ahead of this meeting. Now they're going to have another meeting on Wednesday. Whether it gets walked up or we sell the news, there's no way to tell. So a lot easier strategy is just to trade what you see. That's what we'll be doing in the room. So this morning's going to be a pretty quick video. Let me get you guys support and resistance. Our current trade is 1233 half. So on the upside I have 1236, 1243, 1253 half, and 1264.25. On the downside I have 1231.11. That's your 200-day. 1226.18, 1221, then 1213. 1213's been a big level. It's been a big level up and a big level down for months now. So keep an eye on 1213. 1206, 1196, and then we've got a real cluster of support at the 1191 to 1192 level. That's the 100-day exponential moving average, the 50-day, and the descending trend line that I've been utilizing for the past few weeks with my subscribers. That's all coming together right at about 1191, 1192. So if the move out of Europe for whatever reason, if the tape gets really angry and we really start dumping out, that's a potential place where we could stick, at least for a little bit of a fade trade on the way to a lower number, or maybe we can build something there and make it for another rally back up off of a dip. And my final level I'll give you today is 1179 half, and that is the 20 and 45-day pivots, which are still in lockstep. So 91 and 79 are big support lines on my chart in case of a pullback. So Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here from Mr. Topstep. Everybody have a great day. I will be back tomorrow morning. Subscribers, look out for the exclusive members subscriber evening webcasts that I put out every night for you guys, talking about vol levels and pivots and what I'm looking at into the next day. It's a lot more detailed than this. So if you want to check that out, there's a 2-week free trial to the service, and feel free to click on the link, and I look forward to seeing you there. See you tomorrow, everybody. Trade them well.